What's going on, Loot Crate fans? It's Disney Dan here with challenge number 3 of the Guardians Secret Order of the Keys May 2017 crate. And so chapter 3 is called Target Practice, and you are going to need your Groot and Rocket Q-Fig, which is probably one of the coolest Q-Figs that's ever come out of Loot Crate for sure. So this is a relatively involved one, and so you're gonna have to grab that booklet that came with the crate and find this page as well as this page, and you're gonna have to cut them both out along the white lines. And so when you do that with the star page, it'll look like that. You're just gonna have to rip it right out of the book, and don't worry, it's two-sided and it's intentionally, it's supposed to be cut out like that. Then fold up all of the little spines at the dotted edge, and then using those strips, tape them together and then wrap them around the Rocket and Groot Q-Fig. You'll see that they kind of like fit into certain notches there. Next, we'll go to that PDF you downloaded for this challenge. And it's got a series of icons or glyphs in green, and those will be on the Rocket and Groot figure, and then a bunch of orange icons. So what you want to do is turn around and line up the glyphs as they are shown on the PDF so that they match, and when you do, the non-smoking gun of Rocket will be pointing at certain targets. So as you're pointing to those targets, you want to fold them down, whichever ones, as you slowly turn and move along the list of glyphs until you've got all of them all flattened out, and you have just a handful of ones sticking up. So then look and then follow along that all the ones that are still sticking up, and slowly turn it around and read, and you will find that it reads Keystone Quadrant. There you go, Keystone Quadrant, which is the solution for challenge number 3. As always, thanks so much for watching, guys. Please subscribe if you have not already. Check back for some other Loot Crate Secret Order of the Key challenge walkthroughs. And as always, you rock.